With today's new strategy, you can get paid on autopilot because I'll show you how to set up an automatic click system. Anyone from anywhere in the world can join for absolutely free, without any skills required. Make sure you keep watching till the end of this video so you can get every step right and get the desired results. But as always, before I start with this video, I want to remind all of you to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload the brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content and you'd like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And the very first thing that you need to do for today's strategy is to go over to this platform called More Niche. This is over at moreniche.com. As you can see over here, this is the #1 health affiliate network. So over here we're going to just find some products and promote them online so you can make money again and again, and also in passive income. So this is very similar to other platforms like Digistore24, ClickBank, and so on and so forth. So this is like an affiliate marketplace, as I said before. You're going to see over here that they have paid out more than $54 million to their members. So this is a legit platform, and it's going to get you paid actually a lot of money online, just like other people are doing over here. Something else that it's very worth mentioning is that this platform has been around since 2002. So this shows that this is a legit platform once again, because most of the scam websites disappear after a short period of time. So what you need to do over here is to just go over to the affiliate section, and you're going to see their affiliate program page, more about their affiliate program, some of their features and so on. So you're going to see here that this is one of the best websites through which you'll want to promote affiliate offers, and here's why. The first thing that you're going to see here is that they offer more than 40% of commissions, making them one of the best paying sites out there. And if some of you perhaps don't know what an affiliate commission is, it's a percentage of a product sale price you'll receive if you get someone to make a purchase through your own affiliate link. So another thing that's really awesome is the conversion rate, which goes up to 7.44%. And for those that don't know about it, that's basically a percentage of people who go to the sales page of a product and make a purchase. So if 1 out of 100 people who go to the landing page make a purchase, you'll have a conversion rate of 1%. Or More Niche, as you can see, you have a conversion rate more than 7%, as I said before. And I'm going to show you a product that you can promote that offers even more than this. So what you need to do first of all is to come over here. You can learn more about their features, as you can see, but I don't want to prolong this video, so you can come over here by yourself and you can read all of them. Right now what you need to do is, of course, to join More Niche now. So you need to click on this button here, and it's going to take you over to this page where you need to select affiliate, and then you need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, a password, confirm the password, and then click on join now. After you do so, you will be able to go over to all of the brands that they offer to get a product, your affiliate link, and start promoting that product to people. And I'm going to show you a traffic source that can get you thousands of people to promote, to come over here to try these products, and you're going to make money passive income, of course. So just stay tuned for that. So right now you need to click here on brands so you can explore more the brands that More Niche offers, and it's going to show you that they are in the health and wellness niche. So you're going to see that they offer a lot actually of brands, and which one you go for doesn't make too big of a difference, for as long as you use the tool that I'll show you at the end of this video to get traffic, just like I promised you before. But the one that I would recommend for the sake of this tutorial is Zotreem over here, mainly because they'll pay you a lot of money, but also because you might get many more sales promoting them, because as you can see over to their homepage, to their website, they sell various weight loss products. And nowadays a lot of people are interested in both weight loss and fitness in general, so this is a huge niche, and you're going to have a lot of potential customers. The more of them you have, the more of money you'll be able to make, of course. Furthermore, you're going to see here that Zotreem will pay you like 40% of commissions per sale with the average order price of $150. So if you make some calculation, this means that on average you'll be making $60 per sale. 100 people will make you $6,000 already, so the potential here is big. Zotreem, as you can see, has a conversion rate of 22.7%. So if you get like 100 people to Zotreem, on average 22 people will make a sale, and since you make $60 per sale on average, that means that generally when you refer 100 people on this side, you'll make like $1,320, which is just crazy. So what you need to do over here is to just join more niche to promote Zotreem. Of course, you're going to have a dashboard over there, and you're going to be able to just get your affiliate link. And once you do so, once you get your affiliate link, you're going to start promoting it to people. And the thing is that you need to find targeted people that will be interested in getting and buying something that is going to help them. So we're going to target specific people that are going to be our potential customers, so we can make money on passive income. And I'm going to show you what you need to do for that. So for this purpose, Google is going to help us. What you need to do is to go over to Google and just search for weight loss forums, and you're going to see that it's going to give you a lot of results actually, and you just need to open them up one by one, and you need to be a member in all of these forums. You need to take part in these discussions, because people gather here to discuss about different things related to weight loss, different methods on how to lose weight, how to get more motivation, as you can see, and so on and so forth. And what you need to do is to just start a conversation with these people. Don't just paste your affiliate link right over there, because it'll be obvious that you are promoting something. Rather than that, you can get in conversation with these people, and you're going to say them that this product has helped you a lot in losing weight, so it can help them too. So you're going to make them benefit from it, and you're also going to benefit from this, because you're going to make money in passive income. And the thing is that this is a win-win situation, and this traffic source is very powerful, because you're going to find people that are interested in losing weight, and they'll give a try to Zotreem. They can use their products, and you can get paid again and again for promoting their product. So I highly recommend you get started with this strategy. You don't need any skills at all for this. You just need to be an affiliate over at moreniche.com. You're going to get an affiliate link to any products that you want to promote over here. Then you're going to find people over to forums, so you can give them your affiliate link, and you can make money in passive income. With that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope that you like this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.